Alright, so you want to make money online in 2025? Let's dive straight into it step by step. First up, freelancing. If you've got a skill like writing design coding or even video editing, head to sites like Upwork or Fiverr, create a killer profile, showcase your best work, and start pitching to projects. It might take a few tries, but once you land that first client, things get rolling. Next, content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram are still gold mines if you create content people love. Pick a niche you're passionate about, tech, travel, gaming, whatever it is, start posting consistently. Monetize with ads, brand deals, and even your own digital products, like courses, ebooks. If you prefer something less public, consider remote work. In 2025, tons of companies hire for remote customer service, project management, and virtual assistant jobs. Sites like remote.co and FlexJobs are your friends here. Update your resume, apply like crazy, and don't get discouraged by rejections. Now for the side hustlers, try print on demand or dropshipping. Set up an online store using Shopify, connect with suppliers, and sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or stickers. You handle the designs, they handle the shipping. And don't forget digital investments. Platforms like Etsy let you sell printables, while micro-investing apps allow you to start investing with just a few bucks. The key to all of this? Consistency. Pick one or two methods, give it at least 3 months, and be prepared to learn and adapt. Alright, that's your blueprint for making money online in 2025. Got questions or want deeper tips? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and good luck hustling.